Lost under the city lights, I hit the road. The engine rumbles, it's a story to unfold. Wind in my hair, leaving worries behind. With each mile I conquer, I'm free and aligned. Chasing horizons, everything feels so right. Drifting through the dusk as day turns to night. Take me away where the wild hearts thrive. On this motorcycle I truly come alive. Let the sunset guide me, let the world see. In these fleeting moments I'm exactly me. Colors collide as the sun sinks away, painting the sky in a vibrant display. Head in the clouds, heart racing so fast. Every moment I cherish, I wish it would last. Freedom's a feeling that we ride through the breeze. On this open highway, life bends with ease. Take me away where the wild hearts thrive. On this motorcycle I truly come alive. Let the sunset guide me, let the world see. In these fleeting moments I'm exactly me. So I ride into tomorrow with stars my only light. Chasing dreams on my bike until the morning bright.